Welcome mountain biking enthusiasts! Today we are diving into the world of mountain bike tires, a crucial component that can significantly enhance your ride. The right tire can provide better grip, improved durability and a smoother experience on the trails. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just getting started, having the right tires can make all the difference. Stick around as we explore the 7 best mountain bike tires designed to elevate your biking adventures. At the first position of our list, let's start with the Schwinn replacement mountain bicycle tires, a reliable choice for riders seeking durability and performance. These tires are designed with a multi-terrain tread pattern, ensuring excellent grip on a variety of surfaces. The puncture-resistant construction adds an extra layer of reliability, minimizing the chances of flats during your rides. Quality is a standard feature of Schwinn tires. Crafted with robust materials, these tires can withstand the vices of mountain biking, providing longevity and consistent performance. The usability factor is high, with these tires being easy to install and compatible with a range of mountain bikes. Their versatile design makes them suitable for both off-road trails and city streets, offering great value for money. In terms of effectiveness, Schwinn replacement mountain bicycle tires deliver a smooth and stable ride. The traction they provide helps maintain control on tricky terrains, enhancing overall biking safety. Specifications include various sizes to fit different bike models, making them a versatile choice for many riders. Additionally, their black sidewalls add a sleek look to your bike, combining functionality with style. At number 2 we have the BMX Tires, designed for those who crave adventure on and off the trails. These tires feature an aggressive tread pattern that provides superior grip on various surfaces, from dirt tracks to rocky terrains. The durable rubber compound ensures longevity, allowing you to tackle tough trails with confidence. Quality is evident in the construction of BMX tires. The robust build can handle the demands of mountain biking, offering resistance against punctures and wear. Usability is enhanced by the easy installation process, making it convenient for riders to swap out their old tires. These tires are versatile enough to handle both BMX and mountain biking, providing flexibility for multi-discipline riders. Effectiveness is a key highlight of the BMX tires. The traction provided by the tread pattern ensures stable handling and control even on loose or uneven surfaces. Specifications include multiple size options to fit different bike models, ensuring a secure fit and optimal performance. The reinforced sidewalls add an extra layer of protection, reducing the risk of damage during rough rides. Next up at number 3 we have the Continental Race King mountain bike tire. This tire is a top choice for serious riders who demand high performance on the trails. Known for its low rolling resistance and excellent traction, this tire is designed to provide speed and stability. The tread pattern is optimized for dry conditions, offering a smooth ride on hard-packed trails. Quality is at the forefront of the Continental Race King. The tire is constructed with advanced rubber compounds that ensures durability and longevity. The sidewalls are reinforced to protect against cuts and punctures, making these tires a reliable option for rugged terrains. Usability is enhanced by the Tubeless ready design, allowing for a seamless installation process and improved ride quality. Effectiveness is where the Continental Race King shines. The tire's tread pattern and rubber compound work together to provide exceptional grip and control, even at high speeds. Specifications include various sizes to fit different mountain bike models, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. The lightweight design contributes to faster acceleration and better handling, making it ideal for competitive riders. The number 4 position is held by the Fincci Pair 26-inch bike tires, a great option for mountain bikers looking for a combination of performance and value. These tires feature a versatile tread pattern that provides excellent grip on a variety of surfaces, from loose gravel to hard-packed dirt. The anti-puncture construction adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring a smooth ride without the worry of flats. Quality is a key aspect of the Fincci tires. They are made from high-quality rubber compounds that offer durability and longevity even on rough terrains. The usability is enhanced by the easy installation process, allowing riders to quickly replace their old tires. These tires are suitable for a range of mountain bikes, providing versatility and convenience. Effectiveness is one of the standard features of the Fincci tires. The tread pattern and rubber compound work together to provide stable handling and control even on challenging trails. Specifications include a standard 26-inch size, making them compatible with many mountain bike models. The reinforced sidewalls add an extra layer of protection, reducing the risk of damage during intense rides. The number 5 position is dominated by the WTB Trail Boss 2.25 26-inch comp tire. This product is a top pick for riders who demand versatility and performance. This tire features a wide and aggressive tread pattern that provides excellent traction on a variety of terrains, from loose dirt to rocky trails. The large knobs on the tread ensure maximum grip and stability, enhancing your control and confidence on the bike. Quality is a hallmark of the WTB Trail Boss. The tire is constructed with durable rubber compounds that ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to wear. The sidewalls are reinforced for added protection against punctures and cuts, making these tires a reliable choice for challenging rides. Usability is enhanced by the easy installation process and the tire's compatibility with a range of mountain bikes. Effectiveness is where the WTB Trail Boss excels. The aggressive tread pattern provides exceptional grip and control, allowing you to tackle even the toughest trails with confidence. Specifications include a 26-inch size, making them suitable for many mountain bike models. The tire's design also promotes efficient mud shading, keeping your ride smooth and stable even in wet conditions. Next up at number 6, we have the Bell 70911040 Flat Defense Mountain Bike Tire. This tire is designed for riders who prioritize durability and puncture resistance. Featuring Bell's Flat Defense technology, this tire offers superior protection against flats, ensuring a worry-free ride on rugged terrains. The tread pattern provides excellent traction on a variety of surfaces from loose dirt to rocky trails. Quality is evident in the construction of the Bell 70911040. The tire is made with durable rubber compounds that provide long-lasting performance and resistance to wear. The sidewalls are reinforced with an extra layer of puncture protection, making these tires a reliable choice for challenging rides. Usability is enhanced by the easy installation process and the tire's compatibility with a range of mountain bikes. Effectiveness is a key highlight of the Bell 70911040. The Flat Defense technology provides added protection against puncture, allowing you to ride with confidence on tough trails. Specifications include a standard size that fits many mountain bike models, ensuring a secure fit and optimal performance. The tread pattern offers excellent grip and control, enhancing your stability and handling on different terrains. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have the Maxxis Aggressor Dual Compound Tubeless MTB Tire, a top choice for serious mountain bikers seeking high performance and reliability. This tire features a dual compound construction that provides excellent grip and durability on a variety of terrains. The tubeless design enhances performance by reducing the risk of flats and allowing for lower tire pressure, which improves traction and control. Quality is at the forefront of the Maxxis Aggressor. The tire is constructed with advanced rubber compounds that ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to wear. The sidewalls are reinforced to provide added protection against cuts and punctures, making these tires a reliable option for challenging rides. Usability is enhanced by the easy installation process and the tire's compatibility with a range of mountain bikes. Effectiveness is a standout feature of the Maxxis Aggressor. The dual compound construction provides a balance of grip and durability, allowing you to tackle tough trails with confidence. Specifications include various sizes to fit different mountain bike models, ensuring a secure fit and optimal performance. The tubeless design also promotes efficient mud shading, keeping your ride smooth and stable even in wet conditions. And there you have it, our top 7 picks for the best mountain bike tires to enhance your ride. Whether you are looking for durability, performance or versatility, there's a tire on this list to suit your needs. Upgrading your tire can make a significant difference in your biking experience, providing better grip, control and peace of mind on the trails. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more gear reviews and biking tips. Thanks for watching and happy riding!